everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Bank of Ireland mortgage account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in the URL onlinemortgages.bankofireland.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the login area for Mortgage Home. So go ahead and type in your email address in the first text box. On the next field where it says password, type in your correct password. If you've forgotten your password during logging in, click on the Forgot Your Password link and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end. Finally, click the login button and access your Bank of Ireland mortgage account whenever you want with an internet connection. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.